Okay, hey Robert, how you doing? I've got your work up. Okay, I have actually. Let's take a look at this one. I think this one's okay. Yeah, this one's a lot easier to see. So we'll go ahead and take a look at this one. Let me bring that down in size a little bit. Okay, so I've got the recipe right next to us here. So we're going to take a look and just kind of check for accuracy by comparing the visual instructions to the written instructions. Okay, so let's get started. So we have 1 cup of rolled oats, right? Good. Good. We have 2 cups of water, milk, or a combination of both. So there's your 2 cups. There's water. There's milk. How do we say a combination of both? This is saying, um, you see what I'm saying? I mean, this is saying water. So it should say 2 cups of water or 2 cups of milk or a combination of both. Right now, this is saying, to me, it's saying a cup of water and a cup of milk. So, so we definitely want to depict that. It's either 2 cups of water, um, 2 cups of milk, or some combination of both. So we really, as I said, the way I'm reading this is a cup of water and a cup of milk. So we have to get that combination of both in here somehow. And also, yeah, okay. So you have here you have a yeah. All right. So get that combination in there somehow. Okay. And then we have bring to a simmer. So you're adding your liquid. Don't forget. So how do we say right now? This is saying I would get confused right here. Whereas this is water. This is saying I'm seeing here add the oats and the water. So somehow depict this mixture or this combination as being added here, so that the viewer doesn't get confused and just think at this point we're just adding the water. Okay, now right here you're saying bring to a simmer. How is this saying simmer? I mean, wouldn't it be good to put this in context somehow to maybe say, okay, we have high heat, low heat, and medium heat, and this is set on low heat, and then you can depict the simmer like that. Do you see what I'm saying? I know that it's kind of like this. This temperature is low. Okay, so it's indicating simmer, but I don't know what this arrow up is. If you just had the thermometer with this, it would indicate a simmer, right? Bring to a simmer, stirring frequently. Then add your salt, butter, and honey. But the only thing here is the honey dipper is facing the wrong way. So I would just turn that around so that the viewer is making a connection with the honey, and maybe even add the honey over here and the butter over here so that we can see the honey actually dripping in. So we actually know that we're adding salt, butter, and honey to the mixture at this point. Then over here we have, again, stirring frequently. I would get the pot back in here though. Get the pot back in here and show that simmer. However you decide to do the simmer, show the simmer here, stirring frequently with the pot and the timer. The problem with the watch here, as I see it, is that right now this watch is depicting 3 o'clock as your 12 o'clock based on a watch being this is the watch band. I would remove the watch band and just show the clock. So this is actually 12 o'clock depicting 10 to 20 minutes. This is a good depiction of 10 to 20 minutes, differentiating by color. Excellent job there. And then, of course, the final outcome here. So just a couple of little areas I think that we can make a little bit more clear. By the way, outstanding sketches. Really good job. So you're 3/4 of the way there. Just see if you can just kind of tighten up those areas that could be confused a little bit. Make sure that you have your instructions open while you're working. And of course, I'm mentioning to all students that get another set of eyes on this. Get somebody to look at this. And you know, I think that just showing this to somebody and saying, okay, what are you seeing? And have them tell you. Don't coach them. Just have them tell you exactly what they're seeing. Then show them, okay, so here's the directions. How do the images or symbols reflect the directions, and get your take on that. Okay, the more eyes you get on this, the more effective it's going to end up being. Okay, all right, excellent start. Thank you so much. Definitely looking forward to seeing this one work out. So if you have any questions at this point at all, please let me know. All right, thank you very much.